Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Oh, man. So that's what a gunshot feels like. Damn, that scorpion got me good. Where's Percy? Hey, guys. Yeah, I'm okay. Percy, I assume you told him what happened since you woke up first? So, you all know about Luke then. Good. Save some time explaining. So, what now? Annabeth, you're going to try again with your dad and stepmom? Well, good for you. Keep in touch, alright? Send a letter or a postcard or something just to make sure we know you're okay. Thank you, that's all I ask. Grover? You're on your way for your search for Pan? Oh, good luck, man. I'm gonna miss you, G-Man. Well, Percy, what are you gonna do? You gonna try to go back to school? I'm gonna do the same thing. No, I'm not gonna try mortal school. I already did that. Didn't work out. But there was one school I was going to at the same time as mortal school. It's a little convoluted. I'll tell you the story later. But I'm going to be going back to that school because I'm about to start my 3rd year there. What school do I go to? Oh, that's simple. I go to Hogwarts.